Welcome to the trigonometric classes. Myself Kotresh Murali from Dharwad. I'm giving you the series lecture on trigonometric ratios. This is chapter number 11 from Karnataka State syllabus. Let me solve the sixth example. If angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A and angle B are equal. So he has given that angle A and angle B are acute. So what do you mean by this? So in any trigonometric ratio, so look at this, he has given cos and cos B, so which means that this problem belongs to trigonometry itself. So now he talks about A and B are acute, so this is angle A and this is angle B. This will be angle A and B. So because A and B are acute angles, so because this is right angle triangle and this measures 90 degrees, so this cannot be acute, right? So this will be A, B, C in this fashion. Now the another information that he has given is cos A is equal to cos B. Now let me write the definition here. So what is the definition of cos? Cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. So with respect to A, if I write adjacent side, so this is AC is the adjacent side divided by, now its hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AB. This is equal to this is as per the given data I am trying to write here. Cos A equal to cos B. Now cos B equal to what? Again cos B definition, cos theta definition remains same. That is adjacent side by hypotenuse. But in this case I should stand here and then look into the adjacent side. The adjacent side is BC divided by hypotenuse is AB. Right? So if I try to write, I can cancel AB and AB because, so if I cross multiply this here, so this will be BC into AB whole divided by AB, right? So I can cancel these two. So this implies AC is equal to BC. Now look at this, I just tilt this triangle in such a way that, so I write B and C here, B and A here, and this is 90 degree. So I call this as 90 degree C, and look at this. Okay, let me call this as equation 1 and let me call this as equation 2. If you observe, so AC and BC are equal. Okay, we know that from our 9th standard syllabus. What is the one important theorem that we have learned? So side angle opposite to equal sides are equal. This is what we have studied in our 9th standard theorem, right? So now the sides are equal, the angle opposite to that particular side are also equal, which means that BC ಗೆ opposite angle ಯಾವುದಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು, that is angle A. BC ಗೆ opposite angle ಯಾವುದು? angle A. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? AC ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ opposite angle. So AC ಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ opposite angle ಯಾವುದು? B. So therefore angle B and angle A become equal. So that is what we were supposed to prove. So therefore angle A and angle B are equal. So I hope you got this particular example. If you have any doubts, feel free to put it in a comment box. Thank you. So subscribe to the channel so that you can able to get me into the series of the trigonometric classes. Thank you.